However, this is my fire alarm collection. So first thing I'm gonna show you is the most boring thing. Roshni sounder base. This one I put lots of holes in. But yeah. Next one. A Roshni missing screw. Oh, did I shove that in? Alright. Next one, a pole cover. Homemade alarm, duct tape on it. Instruction manuals for lots of my stuff. Glands. Lots of dust covers. And fake American pole station, which is broken, so doesn't matter about that one. We've got a Squashni box. I'm sorry guys, the Squashni actually broke, and an integrated, because I got an integrated. There we go. So here is a little socket thing which I use for the pole station. Extinguisher sign. Pole 365 sound base. This one is actually really dirty. And cheeky smoke detector. Just that one. It's pretty dusty, but who cares? An Apollo core point, but this one's pressed. This is a new one. You can see there's some scratches there, but I've got another Apollo core point. This one's actually broken. When I pushed it and reset it, the thing, you can't reset, so I have to open it up and then put it all back to normal, which is really annoying. So yeah, that's the annoying thing. Casey core point. I've actually got two of these, but I can't find the other one. Here is a Casey back box. Another Casey back box. Polo alarm since open air sounder base. Polo multi-sensor. Polo alarm since open air sounder. I've actually got two of those, but 365 sounder base. This is the older variants. And a pole alarm sense smoke detector, as you can see, which you can actually fit on these, which is cool. And a pole core point base, intelligent. Another one with glands in it. This is cool. I actually like the cable glands, useful. And yeah, that's the back of it. Doesn't show any information yet. Just shows you what they look like at the back. 265 smoke detector base. And an addressable base for some kind of multi-sensor or anything like that. And here's the integrated right there. So that's cool. Polo alarm sense sound beacon base. This one is absolutely destroyed. You can even see I can actually pull this out. Look at that. I can pull it out. Yeah, it's really destroyed. So yeah, that's that. That's rubbish. 365 optical smoke detector. Two Apollo alarms since open air sounder boxes. There you go. last in this box is a black XP95 optical smoke detector. Well, I flew that pretty fast. So now, we're going to go for this. Another one of those Apollo alarms that's open air sound bases. Another Apollo alarm since open air sounder. Another Series 65 optical smoke detector. This one is burnt, and this one is basically a test one because really faulty. Like, when you install this, an hour later it'll just keep on going off, so that's an annoying thing about that one. And last thing I have is this broken. I just put a motor in it for sound, but yeah. So that's the alarm equipment I have. So I'm getting an Orbis smoke detector in 2024. I'll see you there. I'm not doing any of those New Year's sound off because I just don't want to, so I'm not going to be crazy. Anyways, I'll get some new devices in 2024. See you there. I'm not going to do any more videos until 2024. Thanks for watching. Bye.